December 19th just happened, the day we've been counting down to for months. Atlas made its closest approach to Earth at 269 million kilometers. And you know what it did? Nothing. No maneuvers, no course changes, no unusual activity. It just passed by at 60 kilometers per second, like Earth wasn't even there. Let me explain to you why we are not the center of attraction and what is on Atlas's target. We're late arrivals to the cosmic party. Atlas has been traveling through the Milky Way for billions of years. When it started this journey, there were no humans on Earth. We didn't exist. The entire history of human civilization represents 0.0001% of the time Atlas has been traveling through space. We're cosmic newborns who showed up at the very end of an ancient voyage and assumed it was all about us. It wasn't. It isn't. We're not the center of attention. Loeb puts it bluntly in his latest statement. If you arrive late to a party and you're not at the center of the room, the party isn't about you. We're not at the center of the universe, and we're not at the center of attention for interstellar visitors. That's the message December 19th delivered. Atlas didn't slow down for us, didn't stop, didn't signal, just continued on its trajectory toward the actual destination. Follow right now so you don't miss Atlas updates. Jupiter, that's the center of attention. Jupiter is 318 times more massive than Earth. It's the largest planet in our solar system with 4 major moons that have subsurface oceans, massive gravitational influence, and scientific significance that dwarfs anything Earth offers to an interstellar visitor that's been traveling since before humans evolved. When you've crossed billions of years of space, you don't optimize your mission around a planet where intelligent life only appeared in the last few million years. You aim for the gravitationally dominant body with the most moons, the largest hill sphere, and the strategic position that offers maximum scientific return. So December 19th was uneventful from a spacecraft behavior perspective. Atlas passed Earth, maintained its trajectory, and kept moving. But here's what's interesting. The images that did come out from amateur astronomers show the anti-tail is still there, still pointing toward the sun, and it's now 1 million kilometers long, 10 times longer than it is wide. Tightly collimated despite solar radiation that should be dispersing it. We've never witnessed an anti-tail this long maintaining this kind of collimation. The anomalies didn't stop just because Atlas passed Earth. The behavior that's been defying natural explanations for 6 months continues. We waited for December 19th thinking it was about us. It wasn't. Jupiter is the target, and we just happened to be along the trajectory between perihelion and the real destination. Atlas threaded past Mars for optimal imaging distance, hid behind the sun during perihelion acceleration, past Earth at a range convenient for spectroscopy but not close enough to waste fuel on course adjustment, and continues toward Jupiter with precision that's been documented for months. The real test comes March 16, 2026. That's when Atlas reaches Jupiter at 53.6 million kilometers, nearly identical to Jupiter's Hill radius of 53.5 million kilometers, the exact boundary where deployed satellites can maintain stable orbits with minimal fuel expenditure. The trajectory wasn't designed around Earth, it was designed around Jupiter. We're just a data point along the way, close enough to observe, but not important enough to alter course for. Some people find this message insulting. The idea that an interstellar visitor isn't here for us, doesn't care about humanity, and optimized its mission around a gas giant instead of our planet full of intelligent life. But the math doesn't care about our feelings. Jupiter is 318 times more massive. Jupiter has 4 major moons. Jupiter's Hill radius offers optimal deployment geometry. When you're traveling for billions of years, you don't make decisions based on which planet has the most ego. December 19th was just a flyby, a milestone for our observations, but not a destination for Atlas. March 16th is when the real event happens at Jupiter, and that's when Juno's spacecraft will be watching for any unusual activity like the release of satellites or trajectory adjustments that indicate deployment at Jupiter's Lagrange points, where orbital mechanics are most favorable. We built up December 19th as the moment of truth, the day when everything would be revealed, the climax of the Atlas story. But Atlas's story isn't about us. We're spectators who arrived late to watch an ancient mission reach its actual destination 3 months from now. The party isn't about us. We're just standing near the door, watching others dance around Jupiter at the center of the room.